trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. I've been sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong. But I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I don't think you're right for him. Think of what it might have been. Took a bus to Chinatown. I'd be standing on Canal and Bowery. She'd be standing next to me. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. Love, we need it now. Let's focus on where we lead now. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart.
The clouds have gone away. Start a brighter day. We have waited far too long. It's time to let it out. You know what it's about. We've waited all to feel the sun. The harder it gets, the faster we seem to fall in love. The deeper we fall, the more we lose control. Set your mind free, it's a year of summer. Keep your heart strong, 'cause the summer's here. Set your mind free, it's a year of summer. Yeah, the year of summer's here. Harder it gets, the faster we seem to fall in love. The deeper we fall, the more we lose control. Set your mind free, it's a year of summer. Keep your heart strong, 'cause the summer's here. Set your mind free, it's a year of summer. Yeah, the year of summer's here. The clouds have gone away. Start a brighter day. We have waited far too long.